Toptal Freelancer Platform Review. Usage Experience. Toptal is a high-quality freelancer platform designed for top-tier talent in software development, design, finance, project management, and product management. What sets Toptal apart is its rigorous vetting process, accepting only the top 3% of applicants, ensuring businesses hire highly skilled professionals. As a freelancer, you're evaluated on technical expertise, problem-solving, and communication skills, making this platform ideal for experienced professionals looking to connect with premium clients. Toptal caters to businesses seeking specialized on-demand talent without compromising quality, offering a seamless process for both freelancers and companies. One standout feature is the matching system, where Toptal's team connects freelancers with projects that suit their expertise and preferences, removing the need for bidding wars. This curated approach saves time and focuses on high-value work. Freelancers benefit from competitive pay rates, reliable payment schedules, and opportunities to work with global, reputable clients. For businesses, the platform provides access to pre-vetted experts, reducing hiring time while maintaining high project standards. The interface is user-friendly, featuring streamlined onboarding for freelancers and comprehensive tools for managing projects, timelines, and payments. Toptal also emphasizes long-term client-freelancer relationships, which can result in repeat work and career growth. However, the exclusivity comes with challenges. Freelancers must be prepared for a rigorous application process, and businesses pay a premium for talent. Toptal excels for professionals with proven track records and businesses willing to invest in quality. It's less suitable for beginners or those seeking quick, low-cost solutions. For those who meet the criteria, it offers unparalleled opportunities for growth, flexibility, and access to high-caliber projects. In summary, Toptal delivers on its promise of connecting top talent with world-class clients, making it a standout choice in the freelancing world.